Well, this is a tremendous honor and pleasure for me to be awarded this achievement here at Washington University, my alma mater. And I really want to thank the Dean, and I want to thank the School of Engineering and Applied Science for this honor. But I have a lot more people that I'd like to thank. As you can imagine, my field and my work has been very interdisciplinary. And I certainly want to start by thanking my former professors and teachers that are at the table and that were able to come here tonight. But going much further back, my parents started out and nurtured me as someone who wanted to learn some science. And this was not just sort of tolerating, let's say taking a few more classes or things like that, but they had to live with me building a 2-kilovolt power supply, and even working on the washing machine in bare feet and getting us a little bit of a shock from doing that. But I credit them from allowing me to build my chemistry shack in the backyard, where a few things could go on in terms of little experiments. Well, after that time, I was from Texas, and it was a big deal if you were going to leave the near confines of San Antonio, Texas. And it was the Langsdorf Fellowship from Washington University that helped me to break out and to expand into much more. And in particular, be able to come here. We wouldn't have been able to afford it without that fantastic fellowship program. As you heard a bit, my education was very broad, but I want to particularly mention the mentorship of Professor Jim Miller in the physics department. It's because I could do research with him, but I thank all of my professors from that time. And in particular, I also had some great friends. Burr Stewart, who was actually able to come here, a close friend from senior year, who came to this ceremony tonight, and he was a rock and a support during all of those times. And after the research at WashU, and then my PhD at Cornell, I want to thank the other researchers, the students, the postdocs, the graduate students, and the collaborators that I've had through the time at IBM, and the time at UC San Diego, and the time at Stanford University now, because it's through collaborations with all of them that this work has been made possible. And finally, my wife and my son and my family have been tremendously supportive throughout all of them, and it would not have been possible without their time and their love. So thank you very much.